Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to hide apps on iPhone. If you're using any iPhone and you want to hide apps on your iPhone, so let's see how can you do that. Very first, I recommend you how to try to update your app to prevent any kind of issue. So go to your settings app here, just go to general here, go to software update, and just try to update your software. After updating software, go back from here and just select any app which you want to hide. So, for example, I'm going to hide my WhatsApp app, disable numbers on the WhatsApp, and then select require Face ID. Or if you haven't set it up your Face ID, so you might get the option of require passcode or require Touch ID. So just select this option, and here just select hide and require Face ID. Then verify yourself using your Face ID, and then tap on hide app. So once the app has been hidden, you'll not get any notification or you'll not get any message from the app. So for example, I'm going to open my hidden app here. Just scroll down. Now you'll not get the app in your app library and also not in your home screen. Now to find that app, you have to go to your app library, and here you'll get an option of hidden. Here the hidden section. Just tap on hidden section and verify yourself using your Face ID, your Touch ID, or your iPhone passcode. Just verify yourself and then you will find that app. Now if you want to unhide it, just keep a long press on it, then select add to home screen, then tap on unhide app, verify yourself again, and your app will be unhide. You'll find it on its own place. So just open the app. So in this way you can easily hide or unhide apps on your iPhone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.